The reason would probably be that the IRS algorithm 810 would stop the tax redirection. And one of the reasons why, there are many, but one of the reasons why is that there isn't a perfect match between the tax recoupment filing, the 1099 OID redirection, and the amount of taxes that the taxpayer, which is the investment bank, is actually funded on their 945 tax module. So if you're trying to recoup, along with lots of other people, an amount which is incompatible with the amount of taxes paid on the 945 module, it's not going to work. And the 810 algorithm is going to cut in and it's going to stop all the recoupments. The IRS, the United States Treasury, have a 26-digit reference number for every single transaction on this artificial monopoly board. 26 digits. Just imagine how many trillions of transactions there are going on all the time, and all the historical ones as well. The IRS knows everything. It's already there, guys. It's been there for a long, long time. The IRS have this IRMF system, which tracks every transaction. They know it all, guys. And so does our algorithm, because our algorithm can track it all as well. Now, the inconvenient truth is this, that the living man woman is the agent for the player piece, the citizen, the straw man. There's not a lot you can do about that. A lot of people don't realize that what they're doing is playing an artificial game of commerce. A lot of people do not realize those things. And some people have sort of realized that there is a player piece and a player, but they haven't realized that they are not the player piece. Under Revenue Procedure 2002-2026, the fiduciary, which is the officer of the 98 series grantor trust that is doing the 1099 OID filing, can command the IRS to move all of that 1 billion onto the 945 tax module. Why? Because they step into the shoes of the taxpayer, which in this example is Goldman Sachs, as an officer with absolute right to do it. Why on earth would they put that in the legislation, the Uniform Commercial Code? If they didn't want to make it lawful, they would just remove that from the code. But it's always been there. Once you've recouped that amount for the first time, you can then spend it from your private treasury by issuing new signature credit out onto the monopoly board and then recoup it the following year. So whatever the value is that your bank payments, mortgages, loans, credit cards is, then multiply that out by every year going forward that you're recouping the same amount. If that isn't life-changing, I just don't know what is.